Hi, my name is Michael, head of the customer service department at Decibel, and today I will be unboxing the Digital S4 hearing aids. And I'll be including everything you need to know, all the materials inside, and yeah, let's get right to it. So here we start off with the user guide. It has included all of the accessories and the instructions on how to use the hearing aids with the volume and the multiple channel settings. And basically everything I'll be including today in the video will be detailed in the user guide. It's a great reference packet. All right, now here is the box for the S4 hearing aids themselves. I'm not gonna get to it just yet, but first I will be covering the accessories and everything that comes with the hearing aids. Now, when you open it up, the first thing you will see are the multiple plastic inserts that go onto the hearing aids themselves. Now, that comes with 10, ranging from the smallest of sizes to the largest, so it fits any size ear canal. And here we also have these brushes and cleaners that fit nicely inside the plastic tips of the hearing aids. That way they clear them of any obstructions at all. And I'll be detailing how to use these a little later in the video. And we also have these extra plastic tips that screw on and off of the hearing aids. They are designated left and right ear. And so anytime you might need to replace them due to any sort of damage or any reason at all, rest assured we do have extras. And now for the best part, the hearing aids themselves. And so here you see right here that they have the volume control. So if you want to turn them up by pressing this button. You want to turn them down, you press right here. And to switch between the multiple environmental settings, all you need to do is hold either the up or the down button for 2 seconds, and you should hear a little beep in between each setting. Now, every hearing aid comes with A13 batteries, a package of them, and all you do to insert them is you pop open this little slot right here, insert them, and then place them back in. It's that simple. Now, there is no off switch on these hearing aids, so all you do to turn them off is simply pop out the slot, put them back in, and you're all set. Now, to clean the hearing aids and the little plastic tip, all you need to do is take off the little ear dome, grab that tool I was talking about before, and place it inside. And that way, you can clear any sort of obstruction you need. Thank you so much for choosing Decibel hearing aids, and you have a great day.